What if you could perform single particle analysis faster automatically? With Thermo Scientific's Smart EPU software, you can automate data acquisition to accelerate your path to discovery. Smart EPU software automatically optimizes optics, including gain reference acquisition when using Thermo Scientific Falcon 4 or 4i direct electron detectors. This ensures high-quality data. Grid screening is easier than ever before. AI-powered tools can automatically identify representative target areas to help you prioritize the best areas for data collection. Queue up multiple grids and let Smart EPU software run unattended. The acquisition is monitored with live feedback to adapt microscope parameters. An optional image processing pipeline offers sample quality assessment and shorter time to results. Seamlessly connect to Thermo Scientific CryoFlow software, giving you full visibility of your data, from targeting to analysis, on-site or remotely. With advanced automated acquisition and analysis, you can go from raw data to breakthrough discoveries quickly and easily. See what's possible with Smart EPU software.